Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best gas pressure washers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Simpson Cleaning CM60912 2400 PSI. The Simpson CM60912 is certainly designed with convenience in mind. While it does have all the necessary features of a pressure washer, it also has an upright design, which helps you maneuver and stores the unit with ease. Additionally, it is considered to be on the lighter side, weighing a total of only 38 pounds. In terms of performance, this particular gas pressure washer has a 149cc Simpson OHV engine, with a large recoil which enables flawless starting motion. This engine delivers up to 2,400 psi at 2 GPM, which means that the total cleaning power of this model is 4,800. The CP in this range will be more than enough to cover all residential pressure washing needs. With this gas pressure washer, you will get a 25-foot-long high-pressure hose, an ergonomic spray gun, and 3 spray nozzles, 0 degree, 25 degree and a soap nozzle. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Generac SpeedWash 7122. Generac pressure washer is a heavy-duty unit that comes with 3,200 psi and 2.7 GPM output. It's specifically designed for a powerful and faster cleaning. The manufacturer claims that this product can clean up to 50% faster than other cleaning units in the same range. Also, this gas unit comes with plenty of handy attachments. There is a turbo nozzle for dirt and grime and a far-reaching soap blaster. Furthermore, the product also comes equipped with a power broom. Power dial is built in the spray gun, so you can simply switch between the cleaning modes. It's clear that Generac intended this product to be easy to use, and they did it with all the additional features like quick change nozzles, for example. This unit is very durable and comes with a non-marring and kink-resistant high-pressure hose. At number 3, we have the Generac 6922 with 2800 psi. This isn't the unit with the lowest water pressure on our list, but it's definitely among them. It is intended for residential use and all-in-one cleaning purposes. The psi output probably plays a role in the product's weight. It has only 57 pounds. This Generac comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose with 4 nozzle tips. This gasoline-powered washer doesn't support hot water cleaning. All in all, for simple applications, this is a good unit. You can clean patios, driveways, your car, deck, all the regular pressure washer uses. If you want to strip the paint off the house, well, this isn't the right one. Generac has a nice overall design and all controls are grouped together, so ease of use is guaranteed. The comfortable grip on the handle and easy pull spray trigger make sure that the cleaning is effortless and simple. At number 2, we have the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125S 3200 psi. Simpson is a well-built, sturdy unit with 10 inches. Never flat wheels that will conquer any terrain. It comes with a 3,200 psi output for heavy-duty cleaning, powered by a Honda engine. Probably the best part about this machine is its axial cam pump. It's maintenance-free, the hose is designed to resist the kinks and abrasions, and you will see that quality as soon as you take the hose in your hands. This gas-powered unit comes with 5 nozzles, more than most pressure washers on this list. Simpson can help you clean anything from patios, decks to sidings and cars. You can also prepare your house for painting. This pressure washer is simple to use as it comes already assembled. Another feature that is worth mentioning, the brass pump head and the metal frame without low-quality plastic parts. And finally, at number 1, we have the Simpson Mississippi 60763 Megashot. This Simpson is a really powerful one, and it's on our list of the top gas pressure washers for a reason. The best features are ease of use and simple initial assembly process. Simpson is perfect for heavy cleaning tasks like getting rid of grime, muck, moss, mildew, oil spills and grease stains. You can also strip paint and prepare surfaces for a new painting job. While mentioning the ease of use, this unit is great since it's almost maintenance-free. Safety features are also an added bonus. There is a safety lock for the spray gun so that it doesn't accidentally go off. With such a high water pressure output, if sprayed directly on the skin, it can cause serious damage. This pressure washer is built to withstand the heavy use, its frame is welded from steel. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.